For the next exciting thing, I want to come out here before it gets too hot and try to get this down. I wish we'd get some cloud cover so it wouldn't be so hot. But as you can see, there's some kind of blanket and those roof tacks. So I got to get all this down over here as well. All that blanket as well. I don't know what I'm going to do with the grate stuff, but we'll see. So I'm just going to take it down and we're going to just play it by ear because I have no idea how this is going to turn out. It's going to be hot working out here because I can't get any air. So let me find my hammer, and I got my impact driver and to get all these star bits out, star screws. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to start by taking out these star bits. And there's like 5 different screws out here. So let's see. See, I'm underneath this metal roof with no insulation, so. You even use flooring up here. Alright, so far, let me see about this one. No, a square bit. Let me go get my hammer. Alright, I know it's kind of dark out here, guys, but I'm doing the best I can. Smells like cheap laundry detergent. I am going to have to go get a pry bar for these ring shank tacks. And I'm going to have to get my 6-foot ladder for outside because he screwed everything in from the outside. So let me go do that real quick. I just got this. I didn't feel like going to the house. Let's see if it works. That's not gonna work. I really hate this guy. I really, really hate this guy. Well, I can't find my pry bar. All I can find is a pair of pliers. And I can't grab a hold of anything. I mean, there's nothing to grab a hold of. I mean, there's nothing. I literally cannot grab into this. I can't, there's nothing to grab onto. It just, I don't know. Let's go outside. I'm getting pissed. All right, we're on the back side of the property. This is all the wood and crap that he put up, trying to enclose the back porch. So, and it's actually wrapped around the other side. So I gotta fix all this. So let me get up here and start taking the 9,000 screws out. I mean, why all the screws? Was he preparing for a deck collapse or something? Two different types of screws. 3 actually. And now this. I don't know what it is with tenants. They always have to screw with this back porch. Last time it was fencing. They used coat hangers, nails, screws, staples. It was horrible. Alright. And then he's got all this. I got to figure that out. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's screwed in from the other side. Keeps getting better, so let's go in here. Thank goodness for dry rot. Golly. Anyway. Let's get up here and get this done. And this is where all the windows were, if I didn't show that already. Alright, this one's broken off or something. I mean, look at that. Oh, it's both Starheads and Phillips. I wish it were raining. You know, just rain and rain and rain. I love the rain. Alright, I gotta go find my bit. Hang on. Dang, some screws are 4 inches long. Trying to get these out, and these are crammed so far in there I can't even grab the heads. And well, I mean the screws just spin and spin and spin and spin. So what he did is he used door hinges. You can see one of them right here. So I gotta somehow push this out. Here it goes. There. So I gotta take all this out. I mean, guys, you've watched my channel. You see me build some stuff. I've never done anything this jacked up. I'm not saying I'm a builder or anything by any means, but damn. when you're doing crap like this, there's no excuse for that. See this? He cut the fascia board so the door would swing out, and he cut the top plate for the porch. So now I got a structural problem, which I don't do structural, so I'm just going to leave these 2x4s in. It's these king studs and jacks and all. I'm just going to leave those in here and get somebody who knows what they're doing and get the rest of this taken down. I mean, he used plywood, chipboard up here, another blanket, all this lattice work. You put a vent in, all this down here. So let me get the rest of this taken down. I think he that'll just knock out. I don't know. We got visitors. Hey guys, what you doing? They were chickens. They're doing chicken things. All right, have a good day. Ooh, I'm whitewashed, I'm sorry. But this is clearly a case of, I didn't get my way, so I'm gonna stick it to you. I mean, look at all this crap. I mean, that can stay. That can, like a bird feeder or something. I don't know. Dirt dauber nest. That isn't even attached. That was a floater. I mean, that screws with the structure when he took that top plate out. Ugh. So this is everything I took down. Again, I gotta leave that. I don't know what to do.